Project Infinity X v3.7. Official update, Android 16. Updated, the 2nd of September 2026. The latest official update for Project Infinity X v3.7 for Android 16 brings a host of new features, improvements, and bug fixes. Released on the 9th of February 2026. This update introduces fresh customization options and addresses. Known issues for an enhanced user experience. Changelog. New features. Lock screen custom clock styles. Fully personalize the clock style on your lock screen, offering more design flexibility. Nothing Goes Style lock screen widgets. Adds Nothing Goes Style widgets to your lock screen, increasing functionality and visual appeal. Depth wallpaper feature. Adds a layered effect to your wallpaper, making your home screen look dynamic and immersive. Per app volume control. Control volume settings for individual apps, allowing for customized sound preferences. Custom launcher icon pack. Customizable launcher icon packs have been reintroduced, giving your device a fresh look. Redesigned expandable volume panel. A toggleable, redesigned volume panel. You can switch to the AOSP stock panel by disabling the Use Expanded Volume dialog option. Flashlight toggle adjustment. Hold to open the flashlight with a strength adjustment seek bar, even in unexpanded mode. Restored media player play, pause icon. The media player's play, pause icon is restored to the QPR1 style for consistency. Bug fixes. Fix for service CPU hogging. A fix has been implemented to resolve unnecessary CPU usage caused by the service process in certain scenarios. Notes. For play integrity. Follow recommended instructions to avoid issues. This update works best with Hyperos 2.0, 202 or higher firmware. Dirty Flash OTA. You can update via Dirty Flash or OTA. No need for a clean installation. Use Hyperos to .0 to OTA plus FW. Ensure compatibility by using Hyperos version 2.0, 202 or newer. Older firmware may not support the new features. Bug reporting. Report any issues with proper logs to help improve the experience. Conclusion. Project Infinity X v3.7 enhances the Android experience with new features, bug fixes, and performance upgrades, whether it's customizing your lock screen or controlling the flashlight intensity. This update adds more control and flexibility. If you're using a compatible device, updating to this version is highly recommended. Stay connected with the Infinity X community for more updates and discussions.